Good morning. Hey Jingu. Welcome to Saturday in my life. I currently have a stuffy nose. I was pretty sick this past week, but now I'm a lot better. So today I'm getting out of my house. Today is a pretty busy Saturday. We're gonna be adventuring Brooklyn, going to ice skating. Gonna be an exciting day, guys. I actually wasn't planning on vlogging today. I was making my matcha and then I had a sudden realization. Oh my god, should I vlog? So I went to go get my camera. Literally, I crave this every morning. It is just matcha powder with water and ice. This is our old toilet paper next to my bed. Gonna pack my hand sanitizer so I don't contaminate anyone. This one smells so good. Touchland Power Mist. Let us go. The weather is super nice today, but when I stepped out of the house, it smelled like smoke. And when I checked the weather app, it says the air quality right now is unhealthy. I wonder why. Look how many people there are for Leon's Bagels. I wonder if it's good. Beautiful morning today. I just walked by two people and they said, I can't believe there's a fire in Prospect Park. So is there a fire? Oh my god, there is a fire. What the heck? Oh my god. I hope it's okay. I think it happened yesterday. Hey girl. We're literally fighting. I'll get the next one. This is only $14, guys. Such a good deal. $17 for a salad and the pasta.
And a bread.
And a bread. Crazy. Wow.
Unheard of.
Oh! Cheers, everyone.
Fire?
Oh my god.
Fire? Oh shoot, I tried
It's so fire. We're gonna go get matcha.
What's it called again?
Kichitora.
Kichitora. Let's go.
So, 출발. Cheers. Cheers. Let's see Rachel's reaction. Right? It's good.
So good.
I got a hot latte.
Oh, I love the color of the matcha too.
I know. So green.
It looks kind of cute, right? You don't like it?
It's just like really long right here. I
I
feel like a duck. Wait.
No, don't lie.
Well, I'm not lying. I get what you mean.
Wait, right? It's that's what I feel about you.
I like it. I like it. Chat. Did we get it?
Like a coat.
Did we get it? Wait, it's so cute.
That's cute. Put like the shimpung on it.
am home now after having a very fun time with Rachel. And now me and my roommates and some other friends, we're gonna go ice skating. I came home to change and freshen up because it's super cold outside. So I'm putting on this white puffer and also these white, what are these called? Leg warmers? Oh yeah, I think it's called leg warmers. See you guys at the ice rink. Transition. 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, we're gonna skate now.
We got this.
We got this. Oh my god, guys, look at the buildings! This is so beautiful. Skating in the middle of Central Park. It's a little embarrassing. Oh my god!
My feet fucking hurt.
Hey!
Thoughts on Owen's ice skating?
Oh my god, it's terrible.
Oh! Wait, dude, these things are kind of crazy.
Oh my please!
I want to do this.
I'm scared! Oh, that's really good! Snaps. Snaps.
Phil versus Eugene versus Mel. Winner gets internal honor and pride. Phil wins, Mel second, Eugene third.
Hello, we are at Pop Pop now.
I'm ready! Give me the beat!
My hair is so crazy. Demolished.
Boo'er. Can you say boo'er? Boo'er. You're gonna get canceled. Say it correctly.
Wait, what is it? Can you say it again?
Boo'er.
Whoa.
Oh, okay.
Dates are not my favorite flavor. I like sour. Oh, that's pretty different. You didn't even hear that.
I heard stuff.
It's sour.
Oh.